Do you want to work from home and make money online? Now, you just landed on the perfect video because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $15 per hour just working from home. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to share with you a particular website that you can go and you can sign up for. And the good thing is you can do this anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're located, you can land this job. So I'm going to share with you how you can earn $15 per hour just working from home. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, online jobs, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is indeed my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description if you're looking for a way to make $200 to $300 consistently on a daily basis of passive income. So I could send that over to you right now so you could check it out and you can get started. Now, if you want to learn how to make this type of money, now I'm going to share with you this website. Don't want to take up too much of your time, but the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called 5ca.com. So number 5, C for cat, A for Andre, just like my first name. So 5ca.com. So this particular website is a customer support website. So if you're looking for a customer support job, this is the perfect place. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to get involved. You may be having you have little kids at home, or probably you just want to be at home because you're tired of commuting, whether you're taking the train to work, you're taking the bus, or you just driving and being stuck in traffic, and you want to do something different. Now, this particular website is a great place that you can start because they're looking for people all over the world to be a customer support for video games, consumer electronics, and also e-commerce. So let me just zoom this up for a little bit. So global and multilingual. They're looking for people all over the world, as I mentioned, and they're going to do like phone support, email support, chat, social media, instant messaging app, all that type of stuff. Analytics, process, and workflows. So if you scroll through here, you'll see an example of what the video game support is. So I'm going to play this quick video so you can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. So check this out.
So you publish the game. Your players love it, and your player base is growing. But no matter how great the game is, some of your players will need support. They'll have questions about the game, about payments, bugs, or they might simply get stuck. You want to provide a quality experience to your players inside the game and great support outside of it. But player support can be costly and complex. Your player base may be global, speak any number of different languages, and will be playing around the clock. So how do you support them at any time, in their language, through multiple channels at a low cost? We are 5CA. With years of experience in the gaming industry, we provide worldwide player support in over 20 languages on any channel, 24/7. Using our shared agent platform, we can provide you with a team of support agents covering multiple languages and time zones at a fraction of the cost of hiring dedicated resources, ensuring optimal continuity and coverage. Specialized in omni-channel services, we provide support via phone, email, chat, social media, and even virtual reality. Our community managers connect you to your players. We help you save costs by building self-service solutions. More players helping themselves means fewer players calling, chatting, and emailing. Your players get quick answers while you spend less. The best game support is that delivered by gamers. We recruit gamers worldwide, making sure your players get great support at a reasonable cost. Are you ready to level up your player support? Contact us at www.5ca.com.
So there you go. So that's exactly what they do. They just want to have people all over the world to answer questions, especially when gamers or anybody with electronics get like hang up on a particular question. So that's why they're hiring people all over the world. And this is indeed like a worldwide job as well. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is just go up here, click on the career section. Once you click on the career section, they have another great video as well. I'm not going to play it, but you have the remote jobs, you have all jobs uh, um, as well. So if you come through here, you could see like different customer service jobs that they have. Or if you want to click on remote jobs, you could just click on here and you could search for IT, analytics, customer service, operations, and also like human resources as well. So once you come through here, and if you haven't found your perfect job at 5CA yet, you create your professional job alert, and you'll be notified when like there's something matching. So you can click on here, you can get signed up. So working from home, whether you prefer to be at home settled or you can be on the go. So it's a fast growing company, international team. They're looking for people all over. So remote jobs, after hours, they need people at night to kind of cover most of the, because gaming is huge gaming niche right now, because people, especially younger, even adults too, play games. And if they're in different language and they need support, where are they going to get the help from? So that's where you come in to help out the situation. You need to clarify some things. So that's why I wanted to share with you this great website, because you can earn, I do believe, $15 per hour just by working here. So once you sign up, you'll be ready to go. So check it out. It's a great place to get started, get your feet wet, make you some money, and you can get started. So if you, again, looking for my number one recommendation, do remember to sign up by clicking on the link down below and be a part of my a free group. I got a free group if you're not a part of it as well. It's a free Facebook group. You can be a part of it, sign up, get in, and you can learn more about what I do online and how I make money. All right. So thank you so much. Enjoy your day, and we'll talk to you soon. Go check out that website right now. Peace.